Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, this is that nickel plate road tender that I put the spotlight on, and I wire it directly to the locomotive with a magnet. And you can touch it directly to the rail and power the light if you just have the car on a siding. Or you can just stick it to itself and get it out of the way if you're not going to be using it. But to attach it to the locomotive, of course, I just have a wire coming off the headlight going to a washer, so I can just touch them together and I have an instant connection to the headlight. So it's the engine is supplying the power, not the track. The hard part, of course, was how do you insulate this? You know, I'd have to make something to completely encapsulate this so there's no chance of it touching ground anywhere. But I found this really interesting tape, and this is what the video is about. Glueless tape. It's called Wonder Tape. It feels like a strip of vinyl, and it only sticks to itself. It's really strange stuff. So I'm going to cut a piece of this off. You see, as I said, it sticks to itself. So I'll cut a piece of this off, just a strip of it. And the nice thing about this is it doesn't leave any residue. So now I can take this piece of tape and just wrap it directly around this connector, as you see. And it's completely encapsulated in plastic. Feels exactly like vinyl, like a vinyl blow-up beach toy. That's exactly what it feels like. So anyway, it's now completely encapsulated. So the connector just goes inside the locomotive, and we put the locomotive on the rail with the tender. Hard to do this with this camera right in the way. All right. Poke the wires up inside, and we are ready to run. And of course, the tender is now connected directly to the locomotive. So power is on. Let's take this around. As you see, and that gives you a perfect connection. You don't have to worry about a track connection. It's actually powered by the headlight in the locomotive. But like I said, I was just wondering how I was going to insulate that and keep it insulated. And as you see, this is the perfect choice. It's literally a strip of vinyl that only sticks to itself. And it seems to work rather well. So I just wanted to do a quick video on this. So it'll never touch the chassis on the locomotive. And it comes off with no residue. It only sticks to itself, which is really cool. So again, glueless tape. Wonder tape. Strangest stuff I've ever seen. And it works. That's the neat thing about it. It actually works quite well. So all these connectors, this is exactly how I will be doing this. And it fits almost like a sleeve. It feels almost like shrink tubing. Feels very much like that. But like I said, it only sticks to itself and it comes off with no residue of any kind. So it makes a great way to insulate connectors, especially on locomotives in confined spaces. Anyway, I just want to do a quick video on this. It works. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.